Oh snap, the expedition's gone. So as y'all notice, the expedition is gone. My parents finally sold it. I've been hearing they're talking about it for the last 2 years. They finally sold that joint, so it makes me even happier about the fact of getting this good old battery and getting old Scamaroo out of this bike. So now our bobber, at least so far, is pretty goddamn reliable. Just small talk, really. Just something to talk about. I just think it's kind of funny. They finally sold that joint. But right now we're taking a short trip to the store. Shit, I don't know what store they're going to, if I'm being honest. Yo, this bike is too much fun. What is that? Yo, the man on the donks. Oh, that gotta be going to Walmart, yeah. Alright, so I think I know what store my parents are going to. I just forgot they turn early. I usually turn here when we go to our local store. I feel like I've seen this car before.
Whether or not get in an accident, see that I'm gonna be taking most of the damage, and holy hell, what the fuck did I just see? A lot of people do crazy shit with their Challengers and Chargers, but that I think that was the most ugliest Challenger I've ever seen in my fucking life.
Did I really go that fast? Hey, look at those. I don't see him. Nope, I think it's them right there. Alright, we're going back on the road. Just went on a quick little snack run. Now I'm gonna go speeding again. These are them days I'm waiting for. It's pretty nice out here. It's a lot warmer. The last time I came out, or when I came out, it said 58 degrees. It might be like 60, 61 now. But the breeze feels nice. It's funny, it's been cold so long that the 60 degrees would usually still feel pretty cold, but because we was at like 30, 40s, the low 50s this whole winter, the 60 degrees feeling nice. Ready to cross back on the Blue Diamond, still in gear 3, so it's about to get speedy. Oh man, we are far back. The traffic back here is crazy. If y'all haven't noticed, I'm gonna be spamming y'all with all types of videos on this bobber. I'm telling y'all right now. Sheesh, this light ain't gonna change for us, is it? Look at that thing right there. Oh my god, it just went red again. Half of this video is about to be us sitting here at this stop. That man revved all the way up just to get stuck down the red light. That's why I can't wait to get back to the streets. You know, it's just moments. We just chilling, bumping music. Even though when I do play music, it'll be the same music over and over again because I'm trying not to get copyright. But we can listen to music, look at people drive stupid, drive crazy, or just to see some nice ass cars on the road, do some speeding, some driving, some coasting, and being stuck behind red lights due to the high traffic. Yes sir. I would probably not mind sitting here if I wasn't so goddamn hungry. As you can see, they jamming out some music in there. We kind of went snack shopping and something to eat right now. But this red light's holding us up. I'm starving. Starving like Marvin. Green light. Can we get out of here now? Or are we gonna get cut off again? Come on, speed it up, speed it up. Hey, ooh, look at that bike. Hey, hey, hey. I'm not getting stuck behind this red light. Fuck out of here. Woo-wee. There's no way I'm getting stuck behind that shit. Yo, we did 73. I had to stop for a minute. That unbalanced wheel in the back was getting real lumpy. Yo, that was fun as fuck right there. Oh shit, I switched lanes for no reason. Yeah. I wonder what their display, I wonder how fast they were going because my shit right here says 73. Oh, this is where we need to stop that shit. The cops. It's the police. Hey, some nice ass bikes down here. Some nice ass motorcycles out today. Hey, look at that thing. Ooh, look at the rims. It's a Tuesday. You used to typically see these vehicles out on a weekend. I think we had a car crash. I think that's what's going on. It felt like a weekend with all these vehicles out here. It's only a Tuesday. I guess people still going up on a Tuesday. Y'all know that song? If you don't find it. It's a trash ass song. At least to me it is. I do need to chill out before I overheat my controller. I think everything else will be fine, but we're really pushing it for the controller here. At least I think we are. Oh boy, somebody is smoking. I just smell some skunk. Traffic's a bit slow right now, so we're gonna turn gears down. I'm gonna turn it down to gear 2. Sheesh, that torque difference in gear 2 is massive. But it is 50% of the bike, so. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I can't stop thinking about that mini race we just did. Damn, I love this bike. So once again, just to mention it, my parents finally sold the white Expedition. They didn't need it. My dad got a Yukon, my mom got her BMW. I was driving it, but I don't really have money, so any maintenance on the truck would be extra expensive. I'm gonna be honest, I ain't got a job, and I ain't trying to get one. Everybody knows what it is with these jobs, you know, modern day slavery, all that yada yada politics and bullshit. So I don't feel like getting no damn job, but it's like, I could get money for the truck, and I could go get a job or get some money to maintain it. But you know, it's just an 07 Expedition to me, so it's not something special. Now if it was an excursion, oof, I don't know. Your boy might have to get a job, do some side hustles to maintain the truck. If it was something else, like a 2002, 2006 Escalade, Shit, if I had my dad's Yukon, I'd go get some money for it. My dad didn't have a license for like almost 20 years. He finally got his license because my mom bought him the Yukon. So, gotta give me a reason, you know. 07 Expedition, it's a nice looking truck, it's decent, but I don't care for it enough. And I got my bikes, I got my Suron, I got my beach cruiser, something slower. Is that an undercover cop car? I got my beach cruiser, something slower, but still very reliable after 2 years. Almost 3 now since it's 2023. And now I got the bobber acting real reliable ever since we gave it this proper battery. So I really don't need the Expedition. I got stuff to get around. The only problems I have to get around with this thing is rainy days. I could complain about the, you know, cold winter. I can complain about hot ass summer, especially here in Nevada. 110, 112 degrees. Not the most comfortable weather to ride in. At least it's not where I used to be in North Las Vegas at 115 to 117 degrees, but it's hot. But it ain't shit. I can do it. I've done it already. The only rain problem I have is rainy days because I don't know how waterproof this bike is, and if it's raining that hard, I'd rather not something electrically go wrong. But, ooh, look at that car. But besides that, all that, or yeah, I just don't feel like getting soaking wet. But I typically don't always have to drive like that anyways. I drive more just to drive and do these videos for y'all than I actually do driving because I have to go somewhere. That's another reason why I just don't think it's worth trying to take care of the Expedition. I don't go anywhere. I don't need to go anywhere, so wasn't a big deal to me. But I got this battery up in this bobber. I don't need nothing else right now. It has to be a vehicle worth getting money for and getting a job for, especially getting a job, you know, bum ass job. This bike is a blast. Just too much fun, man. And we haven't even turned the power up yet. I'm still thinking about if I should. We're still running a max of 290 amps peak and 200 continuous. As I can see, the speed I can get, the torque I got. I'm trying to figure out, do I need to turn it up? Because all I'm gonna do is burn my range. I might not go faster. I might have more torque. Who knows if my speed's gonna be much more. It might give me more speed, but I don't really think I need that speed. Like right now we're in gear 2 and we're just going. But we about to turn it up to gear 3. We in gear 3 now. Alright y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that little video right there. Going to Walmart for some snacky snacks. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. I do e-bikes and I'm out. Peace. Wait, so well, you said 73, so y'all, I said 76?
76. Yeah. You was neck to neck. I looked over, your mother said 76, I looked, her shit was 76.
Goodness. So this is actually off. I did 76 miles per hour.
Report, it's your goddamn fault. You a liar.